I think I'm at like 900 on midnight or something. I'm pretty sure. Wait, not Jeff. The fuck am I doing? Yeah, I have 920. Hole mole. That's like 2 days. 2 days, I got that. Easy. Once a day is crazy work. I wish I could pick a struggle. Dude, I mean, honestly, like when I was smoking weed, like I did not have an appetite at all. So I'm about to just go back to doing that. Like, fuck the streak. Fuck not smoking. I'm over it. I'm going back to taking dabs. Like, fuck it. Okay, so 3 things. 1, I'm not getting tired. 2, I am low-key still scamming Amy. 3, I might go down for a tier 3 this month. No! Kenzo, I'll give you $25. I need it! Not you still. Oh, yeah. Wait, Kenzo, you do owe me comp games, huh? Okay, but I don't want you to, like, stay up past when you have to. Like, if you're staying up and, like, refusing sleep from your body, you shouldn't be doing that. I'm sure we'll have a time to play. You know when I'm here. I'm always down to play. Just let me know when you're ready. Hi, nasty lady. How are you besides stinking? Been a while, so you come here often. Okay, bitch, shut the fuck up. You're ugly and disgusting and stupid. Don't call me nasty ever again. Anyway. Time to get an energy drink. Oh, he's staying up today. Oh shit. Loki just woke up. You said you didn't sleep well. What? I'm good. Already traveling for work again. I'm so tired. Bitch is always traveling. God damn. Well, time to travel again at the end of the month. Ah, can't wait. Oh, sorry. Not you. Stop it. I don't know where the sleep went. It just went up your ass, I guess. I don't know. Possible to do the crunch wrap healthily? I guess it has eggs and a... I don't know. I just don't want to do... I literally want 0 carbs and 0 sugar and 0 fried food. There's a fried hash brown in there with eggs and cheese and a tortilla, so I don't know. I resub is September 14th. I don't remember seeing it this month. What? You can still, like, make the message for it. What do you mean? Like, you should be able to, like, refresh the stream and have a notification. That's weird. Because, like, you should be able to. I'm pretty sure. Like, usually, like, it gives you a prompt. So, I don't know. Maybe Twitch is being stupid. I don't fucking know. What the fuck? Pines on Groot? Oh, shit. Here we go. Here we go. Hello. Can look into recipes for you. I feel like I just want to do my one reliable handy dandy meal, which is the turkey, mushroom, spinach, broccoli, and eggs. Because that is all reliable, no carbs, tastes good, pretty lean. Like, make it work. I probably like sub out the vegetables and stuff like that, but yeah. Smoke sesh, I got you. I was like, bro, I was so close to taking a dab before stream today, but I was like, I won't. When I smoked, I was greened out and couldn't sleep well. Honestly, like, my sleep has been fucking shit ever since I stopped smoking. Like, I wake up every single hour, and I'm actually so tired of it. At least I, like, slept through the night when I was, like, smoking. Like, actually smoking. Because, oh my god, it's so bad. It's so bad right now, and I don't care. Yeah, you guys would be proud of me if I stopped smoking, but, like, I don't care anymore. I really don't. Like, I'm gonna do what's best for me. Obviously, I tried to hold out as long as I could, but a lot of things have happened in my life to this point as to where I just don't care anymore. Like, if I disappoint anybody because I'm smoking weed, like, sorry, dude, but it's time. Me actively watching the stone. Bitch is like, I'm not smoking or drinking anymore, is fucking smoking. What happened? I thought you got anxious as fuck every time you smoked. What happened? I need an energy drink, another one. No, you need gamer subs. Yo, whoever the fuck ordered $100 off gamer subs today and used my code, yo, I fuck with you. Thank you. Real shit. Oh yeah, all the V cards are coming out too, so you guys need to stock up on those. I think they're out. I don't know. Brayden, thanks for the 50 bits. Like, keep that shit. I don't want that. What the fuck? Frankie, how are you? Welcome in. Hi, Zenra. What up? I'm gonna be making you wake up too. Bitch, you're not. I'm gonna wake up whenever the fuck I want. Thank you. Do not do that on my vacation. I'm telling you that now. I will block your fucking number. Don't try me. I love Midnight. He's a fun backline duelist. Dude, I'm like actually pretty close to Lord Midnight. I don't know what I'm gonna do next. I was like thinking Loki before, but now I think I don't want to do that actually. I don't know. Loki, like I have to use my brain a lot, so I don't know. I don't know about all that. But he is fun. I still love, you know, Scarlet Witch, my beloved. I can't even get this one Luna because she's gonna cook me. I still love my, what's it called? What's it called? What's it called? Oh, Scarlet Witch, yeah. My best DPS. With avocado. Oh yeah, I grabbed some avocado too. I put it in my cart. I ripped a dab and I just got back. Wow. Well, I'm about to join you pretty soon here. I'm the opposite. I get hungry as fuck when I smoke. I don't know, dude. Every time I used to smoke, like, I did not have an appetite at all. That's when I was eating 1 meal a day, and like, I really was fine with that. It's just recently since I've been eating twice a day, and like with my given diet, I don't know. Like, it's rough. It's rough. I will not be doing that anymore. You're taking a tea break? Yeah, and that shit's over. I'm done. Marijuana can be a wonder drug, but once you get high tolerance, it kind of blows. That's what I was like, bro. Before I had stopped smoking, I had been smoking for like, I don't know, ever since I was like, maybe 10 years straight, like every day and a lot at a time. So I needed to stop. That's why I really took a tea break. I took a tea break when I was doing my subathon because I was doing a lot of work and it kind of just worked out that way.